Today I am super excited because it is Boxyluxe Ultimate. Not the right word. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 53 years old. I enjoy skincare, makeup, and doing unboxing videos. If you stopped by to check out the June 2020 Boxyluxe, then keep on watching. It is the second quarterly upgrade for Boxycharm, the Boxyluxe, where you spend an additional $25 to get 8 to 9 products. Yes, I believe they're all full size. Let's dig in. If you are new, Boxycharm, this is the box, is a $25 subscription level where you get 5 full-size products. They have a premium level where you get, I believe, 7 products for $35 a month. And then with the base box, you can upgrade if you choose for an additional $25 quarterly, so 4 times a year, and get this Boxyluxe. Alright, let you see what's in my box first. Let's pray there's a card. Yes, I see a card. Me and card luck, not so good. Okay, so it says Boxycharm, the Oasis, and I am iteration 52. Okay, this should be exciting. Let's grab the first item, which I don't know what this is. I thought it might be a hair thing, but not sure. Interesting packaging. Of course, they tie a knot. Be right back once the knot gets untied. Oh no, it didn't take as long as I thought. Okay, so what is this? This is Hallmart Collectibles. What is this? Oh, this looks to be like a satin or silk pillowcase. Deja Vu FabFitFun with a matching sleep mask. Okay, very interesting. I took a survey for Boxycharm where they were asking, are they wanting to get into more non-makeup, non-skincare? It's like they're really trying to be FabFitFun. On all those surveys, I was like, I sign up for Boxycharm and Boxyluxe because I like makeup and skincare. This may be lovely, but it's not my cup of tea and not why I subscribe to their box. Comment down below. Do you agree with me? Do you subscribe to Boxycharm for makeup and skincare and not for additional, what do you call it, home products? Ooh, Boxycharm. Okay. And this product is the Hallmart Collectibles Satin Pillow and Mask Set. Retails for $50. Okay. Getting off high horse and grabbing next item. Okay, the next product is Probiotics and Superfoods Clean and Effective. Oh, Tula Skincare. Alright, I was reading the on the sides. What is this? Let's just read off the card and not to read off the box. Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Ooh, okay, now I'm more excited. Eye Balm. This eye balm stick delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in lines around the eyes. Shut up. Okay. If you have watched any of my videos, you will know I have fine lines, dark circles, craters as I like to call them, under my eyes. This is interesting. What? Did I open it weird? Oh, is that, I guess that's like a safety seal or protector. Okay, looks like a balm stick. You know me, I don't care if I got concealer, makeup, I'm trying this guy. I'll do one eye and let's see by the end if it fixed any of my fine lines. It did feel a little cool. It was nice. Alright. Second product. Much better than the first. Oh, the Tula retails for $28. Okay. Next item. This is the Kylie Skin, where we get a $5 off coupon, which is a foaming face wash. Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash, and it retails for $24. Alright, let's take a look at this face wash. I like my face washes to not foam, 'cause usually that means there's like phosphates or I don't know. Oh, it's pretty packaging. Has a pump. Okay, I will add it to my shower and give it a test the next time I'm in there washing my face. Alright, next item. Ooh, feels like a palette. I see the word Tarte. Okay. This is the Tarte Tartist Pro. You know how I am. I love me anything name brand. I get super excited. Okay, so this is the Pro Amazonian Clay Palette, which retails for $49. This has been out a while though, isn't it? I don't believe this is anything new. For me, I'm excited because I don't own it. There may be some of you who are like, I already have that. Oh, I don't know if that's picking up on camera. This looks dirty. This looks like somebody's used it, returned it. Am I cray-cray? Comment down below. Does that not look like eyeshadow all across the top there? Okay. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Or hot cocoa powder. Okay, this little plastic thing's a little dirty too. Those are the colors, which are gorgeous. Whoops. You get nice neutrals, some warm tones, as well as some cool... Oh, this is just an all-around fantastic. It looks like there are 16 squares and then 4 little circles on the side, which seem to be shimmers. I don't know if all of these are matte at a quick glance. They do seem to be all matte. And a fantastically large mirror. Okay. Messiness and fingerprints aside on the outside. I'm excited. Alright, next item. This is by Malin Gets. I have seen or have received a product from this brand before. What is this? Ooh, looks like a serum of some sort. What does the card say? Alright, this is Malin Gets Recovery Treatment Oil. This botanical oil treatment absorbs quickly to nourish skin and help improve appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Sign me up. Okay. I'm excited about this product. Next item. Oh, I saw the letters, words, however you want to say it. BB cream. Perfect Glow. BB with with SPF 30 from Purlisse. Okay. I love face products. Oh, it comes safety sealed. Please be my shade. Let's read what the card says and then I will do a swatch on my hand. So we have Purlisse Beauty Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. Complexion perfection for a gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. Alright. It retails for $35. Please be my shade. Please be my shade. Alright, here we go. Oh, yes. That looks like... Let's spread it out. Don't get too excited. Looks to be a little... Yes, I can make it work. Make it work. I'm excited. Alright, next item. Mr. Greengrass CBD head to toe cream. This unique formula uses THC-free encapsulated CBD for faster absorption. It's also packed with high-performance ingredients for intense hydration, exceptional moisture, plus soothing and calming benefits. Great as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe for all skin types. Retail value $56. Okay, I'm excited. Lots of skincare. You know I like skincare. Alright, next item. What is this? Packaging. Oh, it looks to be a lip pencil. We have from Bodyography Lip Pencil Set. Oh, there's another one in the box. We have a set of lip pencils, or a duo of lip pencils, from a company called Bodyography. And this is the Pouty and Rosewood collection, and it's a retail value is $28. Okay, let's give them a swatch and see what kind of colors we're looking at. One looks great for me, one looks a little dark, but I could probably make it work. Alright, so that's the box for June 2020. Let's recap. And by the way, this is the best Boxyluxe I've received in a while. The last two were not so good. Okay, let's recap. We got a duo of lip pencils. We got a BB cream. We got a recovery oil. We got a CBD spot treatment. From Tula we got an under eye balm. We got a face cleanser from Kylie Jenner. We got the Amazonian Clay Tartist eyeshadow palette from Tarte. And a silk pillowcase with eye mask. That's a lot to hold up. That's a good box, right? I am still a little curious why my Tarte palette had eyeshadow dust on the outside of the box. The inside looked better. But comment down below, have you ever received something from Boxycharm that looked a little tainted, where you questioned, was it a return? Or did someone previously own it? I don't know. It's weird. Don't you think? What did you think about this box this month? Was it good? What iteration did you get? Let me know. Alright, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time out of your busy schedule to watch my videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you're notified of my future videos. Thanks, everyone.